So I met Sarah through Kelly, and I was so excited when she joined Hum. Sarah, has a great reputation in Tallahassee as just absolutely being a realtor you can trust. My goodness, having a realtor that actually listens to what you say is such a nice thing. You don't have to re-explain, what's going on. You don't have to, wonder if they have your best interest in heart. Sarah absolutely heard what you wanted and can creatively come up with a solution to make sure that you're going to get what you need. Talk about being there and being willing to step up and do the extra work. It's so just pleasant to work with Sarah, and I recommend her completely and strongly.
This is not a person who backs down. No, she'll smile and do what needs to be done, but you always know she's got your back. She is one of the most charming people I have ever met in my entire life.
Sarah is an incredible mix of attentive, caring, and competent. My goodness, is it so pleasant to work with Sarah. She will get you exactly what you want, even if it's not even listed on the market.